Hi Meadowbrook travelers, my name is Rebecca and my family stayed at the Animal Kingdom Lodge and we had a great time. My kiddos loved it. I know that there is a lot to do at Disney World, but if you are staying at this resort, you must take time to enjoy everything that this resort has to offer. And I've got my 5 must-dos right here in this video. So if that sounds interesting, keep watching. I'm here at Kidani Village in a deluxe studio room and I want to show you around. Tip number 1, make sure you go to all the different animal viewing areas. There are different savannas located all around the resort and they each have different animals in them. You can see animals from ground level and up on some of the balconies in both Jambo House and Kidani Village. You want to make sure you get to see them all. Tip number 2. Pick up the free scavenger hunt at the front desk. My kids had a great time exploring the resort, talking with some of the cast members, and finding these hidden gems on the scavenger hunt. We didn't do it all at one time. In fact, we broke it up over the course of a couple of days, and they really had a lot of fun finding things. I'll tell you, the mask was the hardest one. When you're done with the scavenger hunt, make sure to bring it back to the front desk so everyone gets to pick a prize. We created a helpful Walt Disney World planning timeline. It's a must-have and completely free. The link is down below. And if you want help planning your next Walt Disney World vacation, we would be honored to help you. It's one of our specialties and what we are here for. Our website is right down below and you can schedule a complimentary consultation. No video about Animal Kingdom Lodge is complete without talking about the food, and you need to try some of it. So tip number 3, make sure you take time to enjoy it. You can enjoy an African buffet at Boma, while Jiko, the cooking place, has a fine dining African meal. Over at Kidani Village, Sanaa offers both table service and to-go options. And while you're out at the pool, make sure to stop by the Mara by Jambo House. Over at Kidani Village, the Maji Pool Bar has delicious spiced pork nachos. Speaking of pools, tip number 4, you will want to visit both of them. Both pools have a water slide, and Kidani Village also has a smaller slide and a great splash base area for kiddos. Tip number 5, and this is my favorite, as this is unique completely to Animal Kingdom Lodge. Make sure you go to the bead activities. These activities are marked by a little yellow sign with a Mickey head on them, and there are both at Jambo House and Kidani Village. After each activity, you get to collect a bead. If you collect all the beads, you get a special Mickey bead to add to your lanyard. This is a great souvenir and it's free. How often can you say that at Disney? Bonus tip number 6, roasting marshmallows is a great way to end the day. As you can see, there's a lot to do at Animal Kingdom Lodge and why my kiddos loved it so much. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate it if you would like and subscribe. Kwa harini!